the Assistant District Officer Nadi, Advisory Councillor, the President and members of the Youth Club, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. Once again, it gives me great pleasure to join you all here today for this handing over ceremony under the Youth Farm Initiative Program to the GFC Youth and Sports Club. The Ministry of Youth and Sports remains committed working with our young Fijians to achieve their development aspirations. I am told that your Youth and Sports Club was formed some years ago. But in 2020, you have formally registered with my ministry, and I have been also told that since then, you have been very active in the community programs. Programs such as cleanup campaigns, assisting community members in organizing events and functions, manning the checkpoints, and also assisting the community policing here in Nadi. I would like to urge all of you to continue being at the forefront amongst your colleagues and lead them wisely in all aspects of the development. When you improve yourself in areas that are important to the people you lead, not only do you get better, but you also help your people improve. Leadership is a gift, and it means that you must define and exhibit moral and ethical courage, setting an example for everyone within your community. That is what leadership is all about. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, agriculture plays a significant role in sustaining livelihoods, food security, and enhancing resilience for most of our vulnerable communities. The handover today is an example of how we can respond to changing conditions, prepare to build a new level of resilience, and achieve our common goal for food security, health, and sustainable communities. The handover of this material is part of Fijian government's much broader scope of projects being carried out here at the ministry to support both the COVID-19 and natural disaster response plans in Fiji. For last couple of days, we have been visiting, we have been reaching out to our youths, and we have been handing out similar materials to the youth clubs, and we will continue doing this. There is a lot of interest that has generated amongst the youth, and I would like to urge your neighbors, village settlements, if they are also interested, they need to contact our staffs at the Nadi office. As you all are aware that now we have got assistant youth officers appointed, and they are supposed to reach out to all the youths within their areas. And I hope you have got contact for all those staff. Those are based here in my Nadi office. I'm told that JFC Youth and Sports Club has a total of 21 memberships. And not only will they reap the benefits of this handover, but their families and communities as well. We are expecting, as I mentioned earlier on, some more applications for this similar type of program. But until then, I extend my sincere thanks to all of you, and I want to wish you all the best in your future endeavors. God bless you all.